Hello, so today I'll be covering switch statements. We're actually slowly getting to the fun stuff of programming. So what is a switch statement? Switch statement, I guess the easiest way to compare is it's like an if statement. It's just another type of an if statement. So what we're going to start with is I'll write a integer, I'll make it a number, not gonna declare it though, and then I will make our switch statement. So switch statement looks a little bit like this. So we write the word switch, and here we have to pass something, so a value. So we'll be passing in a number, and then we have cases. So we'll have one. This is how we do it. So we write case and then a number. If this was a string, it would look like this. So yeah, but let's go back to what we were doing. Now I'm just gonna copy that 2 more times and then change these. There you go. So one thing you can't do is you can't have the same thing twice. You have to have a different label. And then we will have default. Default is basically the else. It works the same as else. So we'll do console.writeLine incorrect input. It's good for yeah. So if you put something incorrectly, it then just says, "Wait, hold on, you did something wrong." Now the value is not assigned, so we're just going to do that next. So we'll do number is equal to in.parse and then console.writeLine. Now let's just put something in these brackets. So let's just assume this is a game, and actually, yeah, let's just do it like this. So let's just do a console.writeLine, and we'll have select from the following. And then let's copy this 1, 2, 3 more times, and we'll have start. We will have the options. And then finally, we'll have to wait to exit our game. So we'll have this and that. Now, that being said, we'll just have a console.readline at the end, because we'll want some kind of input from user, but we don't exactly care about what the input is. So let's just put an input readline in each one of these, and here we'll put, I don't know, something like, this is not a game, so there is nothing to start. Trying to access options, but that is still work in progress. And then, I don't know, change this one to thank you for visiting the application. Sure. Now, if we press F5, and then there we go. So we have, oh, actually, we're missing something, which the user doesn't know what to pick from numbers. There we go. That looks way better. So if we press 1, oh, there's nothing to start, and we press that, the program finishes. Now, press 3, there you go. And then actually, here what we could have is application. Yeah, that'd be it for now. But what we can add to make it more fun is, if we remember the previous video, we had a loop. So this is what I'm going to do now. We'll put a do and in here, and I'm just going to put a while here, and this is going to be if the number is not 3. There we go. And here we're just going to put console.clear. So what console.clear does is it just cleans everything that was written in the console. I'll show you why I'm doing it now. So we have our start options, we press 1, and there is nothing to start. We press start, and there you go, it just copies. So just a way to remove that. So now if we run the program again, now basically, as long as we don't put 3, so erroneous, it'll just keep looping, and when you put 3, the application will finish. There you go. So that's basically how we can actually add all of that together. Now, this could technically just be an if statement. So we could have if a number is equal to 1, else if number is equal to 2. Whoa. Let's just copy this 2 more times. So let's get rid of all of that code. I'll just show you that they work pretty much in the same way. And then else, or yeah, this has to go. And then if we just copy those guys in here, it will work the exact same way as it did before. Yeah, so that's something about programming. There is a lot of ways to do the exact same thing. There you go. But some approaches are better than the others, depending on their use. But yeah, that would be it for switch statements.